Hi, I'm Marie Ferrani, the Member of Parliament for Parkdale High Park. As many of you know, over the last several weeks, I've been highlighting numerous individuals, businesses, and organizations that have gone above and beyond during the COVID-19 pandemic. I chose to highlight many of these for the work that they've done to support frontline workers. So that included a group of Roncy businesses and restaurants that supported Nicole Coe's In My Scrubs social media campaign to bring support and food to our frontline hospital workers. That included Bark, The Goods, the Village Juicery, and Lebanon Express. I also highlighted the Tibetan Canadian Cultural Centre, the Tibetan Women's Association, and local Tibetan restaurants in Parkdale who partnered to deliver food to workers at St. Joseph's Health Centre. There are so many other individuals, groups, and communities who have stepped up to show their support and deliver food or supplies to our frontline workers who have and continue to work tirelessly to treat those who are ill and keep the rest of us safe and healthy. That brings me to this week's COVID Community Champion, the entire team at Parkdale High Park's St. Joseph's Hospital. Everyone at St. Joe's, and indeed at all the hospitals and healthcare facilities in our riding, in this city and around the country, have truly gone above and beyond the call during these past several months. And now that we are starting to reopen and transition away from some of the necessary public health restrictions we've been following, I find it very unfortunate that there are still a few out there who refuse to wear masks and comply with hospital regulations that help keep these critical frontline workers and everyone else at these facilities safe. I know that the vast majority of people in our community and around Canada are doing their part to protect one another. But unfortunately, there is still a minority of people who refuse to comply with common sense health precautions. That is the exact opposite of the message we want to be sending to our frontline workers, and it's a very poor way to thank them for all that they have sacrificed for our community and for our country. I feel we must continue to support our local hospitals, healthcare facilities, and frontline workers. This is just as important now as it was when the outbreak began. The pandemic is not over. There is a simple way you can help contribute to our local hospital, St. Joe's, right now, and that's by foregoing your deposit return refund when you bring back empties to select beer store locations in and around our community. You can ask the beer store for them to donate the proceeds instead to St. Joe's. You can do this at the following 4 beer store locations, which are also listed in this post and on all of my social media accounts. The Stockyards, Dufferin Mall, Dundas and Jane Street, and also the location on Keele, just north of Glen Lake Avenue. You can also choose to donate directly to St. Joseph's Health Centre Foundation by going to supportstjoes.ca. Thank you again to the entire team at St. Joe's Toronto for being COVID community champions.